Well, hello there, my friend. Yeah, welcome back here to another one of my videos. Right now, I have cooked up something special to introduce to us ICE Network. It's a Web3 based application that's trying to make its way right now into the Web3 space as a big game changer. So it's basically something about VPNs. I'm going to introduce you to IceNet, which is the VPN on the Web3. I'm going to also introduce you to its economic model and a bunch of other things to get you started with the app. So let's dive straight into it right now. So what is a VPN? The VPN stands for Virtual Private Network and describes the opportunity to establish a protected network connection when using public networks, basically privacy. So you get the idea of what I'm heading to with IceNet. What is IceNet actually? It's here home, IceNet, the wallet, the app, the download, the white paper, and the VIP buy. We'll get to all of this in a second. So it says here, surfing the web without a trace shows you the idea of the VPN thing I have been talking about for the past couple of seconds there. And they have here multiple encryption algorithm distributed nodes make web activities more secure. So get IceNet. This is the marker for you to download the app. We'll get to that section in a second. And there are a couple of people who have talked about them and much more things revolving around them right now. To truly secure your browsing experience from prying eyes, obviously that's what VPN does. Okay. They are a Web3 company that makes them decentralized VPN. This is to say they have something that revolves around cryptocurrency and they will look at their tokenomics in a segment where it's under the economic model for IceNet. Okay, so stay with me on this one. Privacy and security, distributed news, payment security, unlimited bandwidth, and no ads, no cookie pop-ups. One of the annoying things about VPNs is that they mostly have ads or cookie pop-ups, but here, nothing of such right here, no records. So we have the app here, which I'll show you in a separate segment of this video. We also have here what the headlines are, protection, more things about protection and security, which you could take your time to read in details as a whole. There are a bunch of countries here listed in the app that you could get your VPN services from. Based on the free mode, is going to be more or less on the AI version, and on the VIP mode, is going to be more or less of your choice from different countries where you could pick from. And there is a bunch of things here: community incentives, marketing incentives, team incentives. Company who is focused always has their roadmap all the way from her 2022 here to 2025, which isn't bad at all. Then we have your community reviews, which is also not bad. Now you can subscribe to the newsletter and you could join the community on Discord, Twitter, Telegram. That's about it for the introduction. The next thing I'm going to dive into is basically the white paper, just giving you the overall broad things about the introduction. Here is the vision to create an open, fair, and secure online environment where every user can freely navigate the internet space without worrying about privacy and security being compromised. But this time around on the Web3, which isn't bad at all. And of course, straight diving into their token and their economic model right now. It's simply the same thing as token distribution, where you have the information about the ICE token and more things that revolves around the VIP types, the VIP benefits, the NFT cards, and the NFT benefits as a whole from this page right now. So I'll link the white paper for you to capture everything you need to capture about IceNet and its token supply right here, right now. The next thing we're going to look at is the payback. What is it that we're getting by joining IceNet, right? So there is the income dividend mechanism, which allows you to sort of have an expansive iShield network and get your reward back from what you're participating into. So the team will distribute about 20% of sales to those who stake ICE tokens. I have here the requirements for this: hold an NFT card, from IceNet. Staking ICE tokens for dividend will commence upon one. Now there are also the things that revolve around mining ICE tokens and staking them for much more dividends. And there is the node incentives. Also, there is also the ability for you to earn ICE tokens and divide them by providing network services and helping to maintain stable operation and security of the network data, which is pretty self-explanatory. There's also a thing that is called use to earn mechanism here, which it says here ICE tokens play a pivotal role in this process, serving as both reward medium for nodes and users and a governance token in the whole ecosystem as well. And there's a bunch of things to read about the use to earn mechanism right now, but we're not going to dive straight. My job here is just to show you what you're getting yourself into right now as something like a payback, sorry, from the team back to the community, which isn't pretty bad at all in any case. Now, there is the new thing that has also happened here. Since you've seen the tokenomics, or most likely the economic model, you may want to wonder, where is the tokens? Can I get ICE tokens from anywhere? Well, pleased to inform you that ICE tokens were basically listed on MEXC previously or recently on December 23rd, as you can see there, and it's open for trade on ICE and USDT. Started about yesterday at the time of recording this video, and it's live and active right now. There is the article about it. I think I'll link this down in the description for you to see that IceNet token is ready to trade right now with USDT as a whole. Now, how to get started with it? I'll get to a section right now on this video where we'll dive into the app. I'll show you how to download it, right? So it's pretty easy to download it by just heading over back to the website. And there is iOS version or the Google Play Store for you to download. And I'll continue this video through the app right now. Okay, so we have here in the store, we have the IceNet Web3 VPN service, bunch of slideshows, and I already have downloaded this, so I'm just going to open the app straight away. And here it is, IceNet. What you have first in there is the home screen with the connect button, AI node, and you have VIP connection in here, and there's the free mode also in there. This video right here is just to show you how to register, which is very, very, very simple, less effort. Just going to put in my details live right now. Okay, and I'm going to ask for the OTP right now and make use of the code in here. Paste. I'm going to input a password. Say if it's referral or not. I don't have any referral, so I'm just going to agree, and I click on register. And there you have it. You have signed in successfully. So I'm just going to go to use, where I don't have to log in anymore. So I have my account now open VIP. There is the mining here, invite mission center, and a bunch of other things that are going on. Now, of course, before we dive into how to mine, there's also the mining mechanism which you must know about. And it's something that says here with the inscriptions here, I'll get to them in a second. It says here the expected earnings is equal to the amount of your mining rate times the connection time times the number of function. Now, if you're wondering where I'm reading all of this from or I'm interpreting them, there is the abbreviation here and what they stand for by themselves here. So there is the mechanics happening right here, right now. The mechanism to the mining, the calculation, the output, the calculation of the mining output, which is simplified here, where you have K is equal to 5 as K as a definite order, which means that the incentives right here is going to be greater than 50 at the time, and the overall calculation under here is about 1000, which is matching the total supply of ICE tokens, which isn't bad at all. Right here, this is how to mine ICE tokens. So according to the mining section, we have multiple things going on. There is a rule at the top right. There's a mining rule, how to dig ICE and how much a total amount, open, connect. This is a short tutorial on how to mine your ICE tokens right now. So anybody can know how to mine and how to claim the rewards, how to also have gas in your wallet. How do I change my wallet address? How do I switch to public blockchain? Initial velocity, connection time. There are 5 types of VIP, and everything is just streamlined in here. We also the calculation of the invite bonuses and the number of bonuses that you get as a whole. So everything shows right here, and this is just where to mine. It's pretty simple. You enter into the app at the top left, you have mining over here, and bam. But how to connect? Yeah, even easier. Just click on connect here. So let's get back to the video. Well, that's it about this video. I'm glad that you've been able to stick with me to the end. Be sure to download mine, and we'll see you in another video. Peace out. Take care.